All right, I wanted to do a quick video on how to fold and unfold this thing. I scanned the tag that came with it and it just showed like a video of somebody unfolding it. It didn't really show how to fold it back up and get it in this bag. It did come with a sheet. That was nice. So I just wanted a quick demo video, just so you have something else to look at. And unfolding is super simple. So this is like a camping chair. If anybody has ever owned a camping chair, you know what I mean. You just kind of pop it open into place, and that is exactly how you do this cot. It doesn't even really lock into place, I would say. It just opens up. And if you just put a little pressure on the sides and make sure they're all the way open, I just always like to push on the corners and in the center just to make sure it's fully open. Of course, once a kid or a person or adult climbs in, your body weight will click it into place. But like I said, there's no like audible click or audible lock. But once it's open, it's very sturdy. I climbed in it. I'm 5'2", about 130 pounds, so it can hold my weight just fine. It didn't tilt, tip, nothing. I wanted to make sure it was nice and sturdy if I was going to put my child in it, and it definitely is. I'm very impressed with how it's all one piece. There was no messing with the side rails. They're already built in. They do not come off. I mean, the poles will still be there. That's the thing. I was like, wow, this thing's so nice and sturdy. I could bring it to soccer, but it has these kind of built in, so you'd still have these poles sticking out. I haven't found a way to remove those. So anyway, it's definitely a travel cot, not something you could probably use dual purpose, but it folds just as easy. So since there's no like lock you have to pop up, I was like confused, like how do I fold this up? I even checked the tag. There's like a scan code, and it brought me to the same video that's on Amazon. So that didn't really help me with the folding part. So I just want to show you how easy it is. I was looking for like a more complicated way to fold it. There just isn't. It's just simple. You just grab it and fold it up just like you unfolded it. So I'm going to try to do it one-handed with the camera in my hand. All you do is grab it and kind of just tuck it up. And let's see how good I can do this without dropping my phone. All right, so that's easy, right? It like took seconds. So then once you fold it all the way, which I need two hands to do, but it goes right back in the bag. It's not a struggle, folds up nice and tight. So I think this is a absolutely great option to have if you need an extra bed for a child or even a small adult.